Hi guys, how are you? It is Tuesday, the 21st of September. If you live in Oklahoma, it is a beautiful day. We got a storm last night. It cooled down. It was 99 degrees yesterday in the afternoon. And then last night it dropped down to 60. I think it got a little chillier too because my son had to go put a sweatshirt on. I think he's lost his North Dakota. He's definitely a heat lover now. But today it is absolutely beautiful. It is 74 degrees, has a nice cool breeze. It is beautiful. Okay, so I gave you our weather forecast. Our weather forecast is some really beautiful days this week. So I'm super excited to get out of the house and do a few things outside, because it won't be so hot. Okay, I made this roughly from a video that Yvonne Preston White put out. Her flippy flat book. But honest, I didn't get to the flippy flat part, but I did get to the flip part. So, this is it, and it is made with, decorated with, it's actually made with a file folder. She made hers with cardstock, but I think file folders are kind of hard to get in that part of the country. So, but a file folder was big enough to make this and have some left. And this is really just one file folder. There's just a few small pieces left, but it is just one file folder. So I decorated it with Darcy's new kit. It's like a collection of pages. And if you're not familiar with Darcy, it is Darcy's Misadventures in Mixed Media. And you can purchase this at Eclectic Junk Journals on Etsy. So let's move my keyboard. Kind of move the mat and come down just a little bit, I think. Okay. It is really a beautiful kit. It's 6 pages. One is a freebie page you can get on her Facebook page, but I think she does include it with the kit. And then she gifted me with a couple of her painty pages, a download she's working on, and they are gorgeous. So, okay, this kit is cute. You open this kit, you open this book like this. And then you can roll this back up on this large circle to store the string out of the way. Isn't that neat? I came up with that. I like it. There was a tag in here. I don't know what happened to the tag. It probably got used on the inside. So it opens like this. And I'm going to put a big circle right here. I don't know what of yet, but eventually I'm going to add one of these big circles right there. Eventually. So this is just an envelope, and it's a pocket. It has a piece of paper in it right now. And then this is a tag with one of her cute little mushrooms on it. And it really does slide in there easy. Okay, it used to slide in there easy. Okay, so then this side opens like so. And it's all her kit. Sorry. I just hate doing that. I just can't get it to focus. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Anyhow, this is everything in here is made from her kit. The ephemera is made from her kit also. I either took colors out of her kit Or I made a couple of her pages gradients, and I also reduced the opacity on her. It's not that page. She gave me two, and both were green, and so I reduced the opacity so I could have 3 pages that matched. So this is just a little booklet. It just has coffee dyed paper in it, and her beautiful squirrel. He comes off of, is he a squirrel or is he a chipmunk? I think he's a chipmunk. And it's just all her stuff, her paper. And then this is another tag. And again, I just flood filled, like, to get it. Cute. He is definitely a squirrel. If anybody would like basic lessons in Paint Shop Pro, I would be happy to help you. But I am too rusty at Photoshop to, those are so cute. The little chipmunks, so cute. I am too rusty at Photoshop to help anybody. But I know Paint Shop Pro like the back of my hand. So this little book pulls out. So cute. Oh, and there's the little add a page, and there's the token doily. So this is the flip. I couldn't do on every page, and I just couldn't. Because, you know, my junk journals are usually more useful than frivolous. Like, I think everything in your junk journal should be useful. So making the frivolous flips and stuff is kind of foreign to me. I used to do that when we made the mini books. And we used to put all the flips and flaps and all that cool stuff in there. But it wasn't really useful. That's why I started making junk journals more. Is because I liked that you could make them very useful. Like you could add note pages and little extra books to write in, and you know, I liked that more than I liked just having a pretty book. So this is not only a pretty book thanks to Darcy's paper, but it is a little frivolous, and I guess that adds what, whimsy to it, I guess. Yes. So this is also all Darcy's paper. The elements I made, because I mean, I don't know how to make a journal without elements. So but they are all taken except one piece, and that's that Tim Holtz piece right there, that little ticket. They were all taken from Darcy's papers. So cute. And then you open it this way and you can write in journal. I love that bird. And that bird comes into play right here. Again, I used her on a tag. I'm going to say her because she's so pretty. Oh no, it's a he. The prettier they are, they're the he's. So he is so pretty. My boys used to hate for me to say when they were pretty. I had to start saying they were handsome. You know, another thing they hated is when I would tell them to pick their panties up off the floor. Little boys don't wear panties, they wear underwear. So there is a beautiful raven. So there's that. I'll put everything back later. So then this side, it opens also. makes you a really cute mushroom. And I just tucked a piece of paper in there, and that is the raven back there. And then that's it. Now I did do another thing a little different than Yvonne. I didn't make the flip up here. I decided to put the book in instead. I added my flippy flips to right there, and behind each one of these is a big belly band that you can tuck things in. So I really enjoyed making this, and I really enjoyed playing with Darcy's papers. Hi Jake, good morning. And Darcy is a talented designer, and she'll make bigger and bigger kits, but they will, like, maybe they'll get better, but I don't think this needs any improvement. It is really pretty. So thank you, Darcy, for letting me play with your kit, and I hope to see a whole bunch more from you in the future. It is beautiful, and I hope everybody has a beautiful day today wherever you live, because it is truly beautiful in Oklahoma today. So y'all have a very nice Tuesday, and take care. Bye.